Hey, what's up, guys? So happy Monday. So today I took three trades. Could have done better, but I had cold feet on one of them. So crowd, right idea, bad execution. So I took it on the short side because this stock was pretty down. It sort of tried to do a reversal. It didn't work. It failed. Was coming back down, huge engulfing, all signs of it failing. So there was no resistance level. It broke through the daily level. It broke through that a long time ago. It's just coming down. So what I was doing was taking it on the short side, but because this stock, it's a bit higher price stock, so the range was pretty, choppy and high, and I just took it short, but I got cold feet, and I exited right before the drop. This cost me like $100 right here. And then the rest is kind of history. It started to consolidate around here. I probably would have gotten out by this time. Once it started consolidating around here, I would have gotten out. But at least that's like $100 somewhat that I didn't make. I only made $8 doing this. And then it did come all the way down here. It did a reversal, failed. Now it will probably keep on going down. Actually, probably all the way down to the next level. So yeah, so that's Kraut. And then Dollar Tree. I was looking on this. I liked the way I played this. Very patient. I was watching it hit this level, try to break down, got bought back up, and then there's all these long wicks. So that was a good sign. And then it formed basically, if you look at it, like a double top on the way down. Took it on the short side. This did come back up a bit. I was slightly nervous. I didn't know if I was going to take an L on this because I set my stop like somewhere up here, 130, 138, or 130, 140, somewhere around there. It popped up, didn't really break my stop loss. And this is one of the reasons why I take smaller sizes, wider stop loss, is because nowadays things are really, they try to hit your stop loss if you set it too low. Like if I were to set it up here, then I would be in trouble. So I would rather take smaller size, and as things go up, add to it, and then when it breaks the top, then that's when I get out, and then my average up is going to be lower than all that. But I wasn't able to do that because I was in other trade, like that Kraut one. But anyway, so that's why I didn't add into this. But that's besides the point. It did collapse. On the 5 minute looks good too, like wicks indecision, and then it dropped. So on the way down, I just covered all my position, just because level 2 didn't look good. This was a strong stock. It may pop up, and then I got money tied up in the other trade. So and then at this point, it made another downward trend. So this was Dollar Tree, and in QS similarly, again. It sort of did a double top. It went down, popped back up. Couldn't really break through this. And then on the way down, as it broke this level, I took it on the short side. And then I covered. You can say I covered too quickly, but it did hit this level, bounced back up to pretty much where I've entered. And then it really made its real run. So I missed this whole trade. In retrospect, I might have gone back in, took a smaller size, like half size, and then see what happens. If it breaks back up with a tight stop loss, then I won't have lose too much money, and then I could have capitalized on this. But I was doing pretty well, so I didn't want to jeopardize that. So that was the reason. But it is what it is. This is a pretty good run if you think about it. This is 42.50, 42.50 or so. It dropped down to, so it's like a good 20 cents right there. And then another 20 cents. Yeah. So basically about a 30-cent run. Not bad. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you guys have a great week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.